And I'm not angry. I'm just concerned because of you know what happened actually?
What happened, Chum?
What happened is I was doing interview and I've been asked how am I feeling with the nomination, and I have to say it, or I'm happy with the nomination. That's why I have to go to my show and say and chona the money, you know, and it's because I'm real to myself and I don't want to live fake life like other celebrities that live fake life. You understand? So I'm always true to my fans, to my people. I have to give them the true uMakhadzi. Why you at the back there? You understand? So, but the thing is about me, my statement was not meant to provoke anyone. I didn't know that it's gonna go viral like that. I didn't know that people, they love me to that extent where they have to fight for me, and I appreciate that. So maybe the problem now is because of people, they're asking questions. Why are you funding other people and you don't fund uMakhadzi? I didn't know that the other people they're getting funding. I'm sorry for my English because I know English. You understand? So now there's a statement that is out there saying now I've been funded, guys. You know, I'm gonna do my own statement, and that statement still is not meant to hate anyone, because from day one when I said my reality and how I'm going through things that I had to share with my fans, it was not meant to hate anyone. But the problem now is when our people who have power want to mislead people, telling them that now I got a funding. No, I've never got any funding, you know. And actually, I didn't know that I must apply for a funding or whatever. I was just excited about the nomination and I appreciated the nomination, you know. And I asked my people, my friends, please vote for me. Because me, not the award, it means a lot to me as an artist. You understand? Morning. Yeah, you understand? So, I didn't know about a lot of things, honestly speaking. And my statement, when I was doing my interview, it was not meaning to, this lady is favoring me. I was not doing it to maybe to crash or to paint or what. I was just being genuine like I am, because I don't live fake life. I live true life. I'm always true to myself, and I want my friends to get the reality from me. You understand? Because I feel like living a fake life, it have been creating a depression to a lot of artists in South Africa. So I live my life like this. How you looking at me, that's how I am. How I say whatever, that's true. You understand? How I mention things, that's how true it is. I will never lie. You understand? So I mentioned that I went to LA with the Mashonisa money, and that is true. You can't manipulate me to lie. And I was not selling someone or lying. You understand? So now I'm tired, guys. I was supposed to rest. From LA, I went to the Durban July to attend it with the wrong curve dress that you guys were bullying me with it, and I'm happy about that actually, because I know you are not bullying me, you are telling the truth, and that's true. The dress was not nice. I'm sorry. It was a last minute thing. So, but Mara, Master Brano Kohona, Master Brano, wake up, yo. You understand? But now, I'm feeling offended when our people trying to manipulate my fans, actually acting like they gave me money. No, that's a no. That's a no, because of even the 230 that they're talking about. Actually, I'm gonna drop my statement. I've never got more than 150 from my booking from the department. The only highest amount, it was 100,000. And beside that, after getting a nomination for the BET, I only got one booking from the Department of Arts and Culture. which paid me 80,000 rand, that I have a proof of payment with it, which I'm gonna show you the POP. I have a POP. You understand? But they must not manipulate people, trying to make them look good and saying we gave uMakhadzi this. I'm not a politician. I've never wanted, I don't know how to talk actually. I just want to do music. And when I made my statement, it was not all about exposing whoever. I was telling my truth, Uri. I was in LA with my Chinese money, and it's the truth. How can I lie? I don't want to read the comments. But how can I lie? I don't have a reason to lie. You understand? I don't have any reason to lie to anyone. Because my statement was not there to manipulate the situation or to lie. I was just being true to myself like I always do. And the interview was just genuine. And honestly, I'm sorry. I didn't know that it's going to go viral like how it's doing now. I was just being true to myself. Maybe people, they're not used to people who are honest to themselves, living a true life like I do, because I don't fake my life in my life. I live my life according to how I am. You understand? Mr. Brano Kohona. Okay, I'm going to play the music, so but honestly speaking, I don't like how I was happy when they said they're going to drop the list of people that have been receiving money. I'm like, oh, at least maybe it's going to help other artists. Not me, but other artists who's going to come after us, going to represent the country and get what they deserve. For me, I'm fine with it. I'm fine with everything because at the end of the day, I brought back the award and people, they're happy about that. I don't care about a lot of things. You understand? But the problem now comes when they want to manipulate my fans, so my fans, they can feel like maybe now I'm lying or I'm a liar. I'm not a liar. I was not doing that statement to expose anyone or whatever. I was just being true to myself. That's how I live my life. You understand? But now if it's like this, I can't keep quiet because of I cannot allow my name to be dragged, so to be manipulated to the public. I'm sorry for my English. I don't know English. I'm sorry, but I'm trying to make everyone to understand. Nah, I've never received any money. And I didn't say I want money. I was just saying, for me to be there, it was because of my Shonisa shoned me money. And I can even show you the WhatsApp group, the WhatsApp chat, where I was asking money to my friend who have a my Shonisa thing, or say, borrow me this money because of, I don't have money. And she did ask me, uMakhadzi, why you don't have money? Because you are gigging every day. I'm like to her, the money that I get, I can't save it and say it's mine because of I have to pay SARS. And SARS is our law. I must what? I must pay it. I don't know how to say it, but it's a must for me to pay it like everyone who's paying the SARS. I'm not against that.